Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to my channel. OpenAI has just released a couple of research papers which shed light on one of the areas which I believe is still very much neglected when it comes to AI, and that area is of AI security. I firmly believe that whether you are building a model or an AI powered or a model powered application, security should be the cornerstone of that application instead of an afterthought. That is where I believe this new research makes a huge difference. These large language models are now being used for many real world applications. They are very much known to be vulnerable to adversarial attacks that can cause them to generate toxic content, reveal private information, and amplify biases and stereotypes. Plus, they can be vulnerable to prompt injections. To address these vulnerabilities, it is extremely important to be able to find weaknesses and failure cases of the models and iteratively improve on those weaknesses. That is where the concept of red teaming comes into play. So in this video, I am not only going to explain these two papers which have been released by OpenAI, but also I am going to explain it in very simple words what is red teaming and why it is important in AI security, as I believe this is one area we all need to be focused on from day one. Red teaming is a structured approach to testing the potential risks of a new system, including AI models. It involves using people or AI to explore a system's capabilities in identifying potential vulnerabilities. As AI systems are evolving very rapidly, it is quite essential to understand the potential risks and consequences of their increased capabilities. Red teaming offers a proactive way to assess risks, test safety, and build up to date benchmarks and safety evaluations. OpenAI has been applying red teaming for several years, initially relying on manual methods that involved people conducting testing, but they since have now refined their methods to include automated and mixed approaches. They engage external experts in both manual and automated testing and are exploring the use of more powerful AI to scale the discovery of model mistakes. OpenAI's approach to external red teaming involves defining the scope of testing, selecting red team members, deciding which models they access, and determining the need and the format for their final reports. They have also detailed their approach in a new white paper, which includes choosing the composition of the red teaming group, deciding the model or system versions, creating and providing interfaces and instructions, and synthesizing the data and creating evaluations. One paper is titled Diverse and Effective Red Teaming with Auto Generated Rewards, and the second one is OpenAI's approach to external red teaming. So, if you are looking to implement red teaming in your AI center of excellence or in your AI projects, I believe these two papers are a very good guidelines. So, do read them, and I will drop the link to it in video's description. So, I will drop the link to this, and you can access it by clicking on these two links. Now, let's have a look. Sorry, let's have a look as what is happening in this diagram. So, this is actually a very fine manifestation of this. So if you look closely at this one, red teaming is probing an AI model or system to identify potential issues, example of those issues, or attacks to elicit those issues, while humans can help identify a diversity of examples, issues, and attacks. So by just creating this simple framework, you can have an automated framework with an human oversight, and that is what is required primarily. Automated red teaming aims to generate a large number of examples where an AI behaves incorrectly, often focusing on safety related issues, but automated methods have struggled to generate successful attacks that are tactically diverse. OpenAI's new research offers techniques to improve the diversity of attacks while ensuring they are successful. But there are few limitations too, by the way. So while red teaming is quite valuable approach to assess AI risks, it's not a complete solution. Its limitation include relevance over time, information hazards, and the need for increased human sophistication as models become more capable. So that's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about it. Before I let you go, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentQL. AgentQL is a query language that turns any web page into a data source quite easily, quickly, and at scale. You can use Python SDK to run your queries in production using Playwright and use the browser-based debugger for optimizing queries in real time on any web page. AgentQL is a robust alternative to fragile XPath and DOM CSS selectors as it uses the power of AI to analyze the page structure to find the data you are looking for, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. That's it. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.